Jerusalem's walls were rising high, stone by stone, but inside the city, things were falling apart. The poor were hungry, their children starving, while the rich nobles were piling up money. When Nehemiah heard their cries, he was furious. He gathered everyone and shouted, "You're charging your own people interest. Stop it right now. Give them back their fields, their homes, their money, everything." The crowd went silent. Then the nobles nodded and said, "We'll give it all back." Cheers filled the city as people hugged, laughed, and worked together again. But not everyone was happy about Jerusalem's progress. Outside the walls, Nehemiah's enemies, Sanballat, Tobiah, and Geshem, were scheming. "Let's trick him into a meeting," they whispered. 4 times they sent messengers saying, "Come meet us." But Nehemiah stood firm and said, "I'm doing a great work. I will not come down." The enemies grew desperate. They spread lies, sent fake letters, even hired a false prophet to scare him. But Nehemiah didn't flinch. "Should a man like me run away?" he said boldly. He knew their tricks and kept building anyway. Then, after just 52 days of hard work, prayer, and courage, it happened. The wall was finished. Trumpets blasted. The people danced. Even the enemies were stunned. "This must be God's doing," they whispered. Nehemiah set guards at the gates, appointed singers, and organized everyone to protect their city. Jerusalem was finally safe again, not just with walls of stone, but with hearts full of faith. Nehemiah didn't just rebuild a wall. He rebuilt courage, unity, and hope. Because when God is with you, nothing can stop you.